Spacing out, unraveling the meaning. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the English phrase, space out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's begin, and remember, if there's an important point, we'll highlight it just for you. When we think of space, we often imagine the vast universe, stars, and planets. But in the context of this phrase, space doesn't relate to the universe. Instead, space out is used figuratively. It means to be absent-minded, to lose focus, or to daydream. To grasp any phrase, it's always helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. I spaced out during the meeting and missed the important announcement. 2. Sorry, could you repeat that? I was spacing out a bit. 3. He tends to space out when he's tired. Each of these examples showcases a moment where someone isn't fully present mentally, even if they're physically there. Understanding synonyms can help solidify the meaning of a phrase. Here are some synonyms for space out. Daydream, lose track, zone out, drift off. If you've spaced out while studying, you might have lost track of time or started daydreaming about something unrelated. Now, let's look at some antonyms. Pay attention, focus, be alert, concentrate. If you're doing the opposite of spacing out, you're actively engaging and paying close attention to what's happening around you. Alright, learners, now you know what it means when someone says they spaced out. It's just a fun way of saying they lost focus or were daydreaming. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion. Remember, language is all about understanding and context, so keep practicing and using these phrases in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!